You stand up from sitting and your hips feel tight, stuck, and painful. You're wondering, do I just have bad hips now? The answer is no. Your hips are starving for movement, and we can fix this in just 5 minutes. I'm about to show you the exact routine that I use with my students to move your hips pain-free. Let's do this. Lie on your back and get comfortable. Now, gently twist your legs. One leg rolls in while the other rolls out, like windshield wipers. The twist comes from your hip, not your foot or your back. Do this for 30 seconds. Then try both legs, twisting the same way together. Again, do this for 30 seconds. This helps lubricate those joints that are compressed by sitting or driving. If you want these moves written out, there is a free PDF for you. Grab it below so you don't have to remember everything. Stand on your left leg, lift your right knee up, swing your foot toward your body, then out away from your body. That's it. Do this for 30 seconds on each leg, 1 minute total. If you cannot do this standing, you can sit on a chair. With these moves, you are opening up the hip socket, creating space in there. This is what your body has been asking for. Next, stand on your left leg. Your right foot touches the ground lightly on the ball of your foot. Rotate your entire body in a circle. Rotate for 30 seconds. To engage the hip joint even more, same thing, but bend your standing leg. You feel this dip in the hip joint. Do this for 30 seconds. If you cannot bend the knee too deep, you can do the straight leg version for 60 seconds. This helps your hip joint get the movement it's been missing while you've been sitting at your desk all day. And now, feet wide apart, wider than your shoulders, toes pointing out as much as it feels comfortable for you. Squat down as low as you can, then stand back up. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 15. Now same wide stance, squat down, then shift all your way to your right leg. Bend it deeper while the other leg stays straight. Now shift to the other side, back and forth, Kung Fu style. Do this for 30 seconds, then rest for 15. And now the advanced version. Go as deep as you can into that wide squat and stay there. Now shift your weight right, then left, right and left. This is the strongest, most dynamic version. Do this for 30 seconds. If you do this routine for the next 30 days, just 5 minutes a day, I guarantee you're going to feel a difference when you get out of bed, when you get in and out of your car, when you play with your kids or grandkids. The key is showing up daily, working with what you have got right now, and trusting that your body will adapt and improve, because it will. And remember, grab the free PDF below to help you out. Thanks for watching, stay moving, and take care.